You should never treat a human or talk to a stranger on the first date like that. First date? The shock on my face? How was that not enough for him to be like, oh shoot, like I need to step back? I mean, like at your body language. Like it just kept going. Do you not see that I'm shutting down literally in front of you and dissociating because you're psychotic and I don't know what to do with myself right now because you're making me feel like shit?
Tell me what you do on a Sunday.
Hey, I'm in a bitchy mood today, okay? I'm sorry. I'm not sorry. I'm PMSing. I woke up to a leg cramp, pulled a muscle. I bled on my sheets. Welcome to a bitchy mood haul. And that's what I'm gonna call it. I'm in a mood, okay? Let me be. And I didn't want to push today's haul just because I'm having a bad day. So here we are. You're gonna suffer with me. And I'll go. I did a thing. It was all sorts of emotions, okay? One moment I missed my ex. The other moment I missed my love bomber. So let me just have this moment. We should probably cut that. I went to Target and I bought some clothes that's gonna reinvent me. Something more mature. Not the typical Faye. I mean, look, what am I even wearing? Does this scream Mature? This doesn't scream 31. Not that it matters. You know, there's bigger fish to fry. Let's just all acknowledge my efforts. A little peplum strapless for my bloated tummy. I'm so slumpy today. Chat said it was good for apple body girls. So let's just do it. Wait a second. We can't be hating on peplums because they're kind of cute. It's very flattering. Okay, it's boosting my mood. I can just let my stomach out as much as I want. I could be as bloated as I want. Carbs on carbs today? This doesn't even touch my stomach. I can be what I eat. Such a cute fall plaid palette. It's stretchy as well. You know what? I think I got it sized down. Would have pressed the girls a little tighter. I feel like it's gonna split. There's a little bit of gap in here. It doesn't fully mold onto your chest. I'm so sluggish. Why do women have to go through this? The length of this peplum is perfect as well, guys. My tummy line is right here. And look, it covers right there and then. Cute! Okay, Target. Let's pair it up with these pants. Okay, before I show you the pants, I also came across these shoes. Oh. Girls, you know what happens when you sneeze on your period. The crazy thing is these little shoes are not branded or anything and they're $40. But I love the light leopard print wash. It's just enough, okay? It's enough to be a statement piece, but not enough to be like, oh my God, like, you're weird. I kind of feel like I want to punch someone in the face right now. Jesus. Whatever. Patience. Cute. Do you see what I mean? The worst thing on your period is having to repeat something. Okay, let's hope this doesn't piss me off. Okay, let's... Oh my gosh, are so cute. Guys, I'm gassy. I'm gonna say I don't love these pants. Not with the top at least. It's weird because I did have my favorite Amazon barrel jeans on just now and they're baggy and it made sense with the top. These pants call for something a little bit more tightening. They're not Uggs. They're not Uggs. They're cute. They're like cute little cargos. They're not overly baggy. It's mid-rise, but then the waistline feels a little like there's no waist to the line. It's the top. Does it eat? Am I cooking? I don't know if it's doing anything for my body. You know, I do like the lane. I think no, it depends, but the shoes? Oh my gosh, I love these shoes. They're so fall ready. You have to agree, okay? I need you to agree. I'm literally buying clothes I would never really buy. Look, okay, the pants, yes, but the top? First of all, let's talk about these pants. Barrel jeans are literally the only thing that really makes sense on a short, stout, stubby, inverted V-shaped apple body girl. Oh my gosh, I'm coming for my throat. Look at this extra width on the side. It's very tomboy. And look at the side. Why am I so yappy? Look at the side. It just like, I truly could go for a size 6. But I'm not because it looks baggy on me, you know, when I suck it in. But then when I let it all out, I mean, honestly, like this is how I'm going to be breathing anyway. I'm even like spilling on the other side. You know when you dress little toddlers? I do love the pocket details. I mean, look at it. The waistband comes up high. It flattens the tummy. Barrel jeans are known to be like wide on the side like this. Is it me or do my feet look very small? And then this cardigan. Knit top. You know I would never go for something like this. I like it. Like imagine I had big gold studs, like the typical Target mom, the typical Target girl, woman, girl, lady, divorcee. It's not like gold, but it's like a champagne gold. Let me tuck it in. Kind of cute. I'm dressing my age. The red nails, the gold rings, the dark jeans, the leopard shoes, maybe a cute little baseball cap. I feel so like invigorated, so laid back, so lax, easy to love fun. I just feel so effortless. You know what? shut the front door. This bag is actually on Poshmark. I might take it off. This is mine. I'm sorry. It literally is listed for like 10 bucks. Excuse me? I am gonna be standing on my porch in this outfit until the first day of fall so I can step out and be like, yes, it's me. I've been waiting. I love this bag. I'm so excited. I didn't have to wear a bra. Just let loose. Be you. I just feel like someone can understand my purpose in this, and I'm just here as a human. I saw a TikToker buy this dress, but in all black. What's up with this print? Misaligned. So it looks like it's been stretched. You know what? Down here is super cute. Pockets. Love. She shrank a size. Am I a size 6 now? Like an 8 is just a little loose on my body. So I'm just thinking, I mean, look, my shoulders are so tiny now. I love the length. I do really love it with booties. I have an idea. So someone was like starting a petition, you know who you are, to have Faye learn how to sew. And now I'm like fixated. I'm committed. I'm gonna buy a sewing machine. I'm taking you on this journey with me, and we are gonna create the most crazy outfits. Imagine me making like bomber jacket. Fix this dress, and I could have repurposed it for you. Hold me to it. Hold me accountable, because I know you're sick of my shit too. I do like the heaviness and the thickness of the dress. Like, it even has like a nice little spin. You know when something's too thin, you can see like your belly button? Yeah, but this one's not, so. Maybe a bra underneath because she is looking flat. It's cute. Kudos to Faye trying to be mature and going for styles that she normally wouldn't. Cowboy boots, a little yeehaw moment. Just here to milk. My cows are to be milked. Highly inappropriate, Faye. This is cute, but not my cute. This was from the like dress section that I don't know what it's called. Would have been so cute if we had it a little shorter. I need a sewing machine. Look how freaking cute that would be. Then little halter to hold the girls up and myself because I can't stand. Did I tell you guys I woke up with a cramp? The repercussions are still there. This was in a medium and you can tell it's a little tight. Look at that. Bring it down to its normal size. I mean, this is cute too. It's not too long. It's right above the knee. If I were a little taller, it would have made more sense. Again, the checkered diamond stripes down here on the pleats. Mini checkered prints. A little bit like you stenciled it on yourself. The contrast really helps the flare. Way cuter if it was shorter. The more I look at it, I don't know if it's as like flattering as I think it is. Okay, actually that was it for my Target haul. But if you will have me, I have a couple pieces that I've been savoring to share with you guys, and this is one of them right here in the flesh. This is from a small business boutique here in Michigan, FERNE Boutique. If you are a Detroit sports fan, honey, what are you doing? I am so excited with this whole outfit. I love them so much for being a huge Detroit sports fashion source. It's a crew neck. It's perfectly length. Preferably, I'm gonna tuck it either under my bra when I wear one or in my pants to make it look a little cropped for my short little frame. Thank you so much, FERNE Boutique. I always walk past them. Their shop, I've gone in a couple times in the past. Whenever I was in Ann Arbor, I mean, it was with my ex, but it's okay. Look at us now. Thank you again for the sweater. POPFLEX. POPFLEX. They sent me a bunch of swimwear that is actually made for the body. I'm so lucky. Honestly, thank you so much for sending this to me, Kristen. This is the Tide Pool tank bikini meant to swim in. I could just wear this as a top. Okay, the thing with my tatas, my girlies, I don't think they're big. In my opinion, they're not. They're just wide. For me to get really nice like boobage, I like them being pressed, not so much lifted. I don't care for the lift. I like them being pressed to my body. Like I can go in the pool in this, but I can also wear it as a top. We outside this summer. And it's lilac and haltered. Everything I love. The little breezy slit opening right here. I was also sent the bottoms. Look how thick. It tailors down into a longer little fin back here. It covers like that long ass day. And it just shows like a little perkiness on the bottom, which I usually have. Did I not say I was unhinged today? You see how it covers up my high-waisted jeans? That's how nicely and how high it comes up. This is so nice. Look. You see what I mean? That's perfect. I love this. I'm ready to go. I wasn't gonna put this one on either, but then I had to. Look how flattening my stomach looks. The cute little ruffle on the sides, it just adds to my no hip. It's so cute. It's so flattering. And then like the girls, again, they're pressed nicely to my body. It has like a nice little lift. And it's like a deeper cut. The scrunching. The straps even have a little bit of draping. It feels like it's sucking in my whole body. Nice little wrap. I feel like I can do all the activities. Look at the control on the tummy. is vibrant. I just love the cute little frill ruffle. It adds like a little peplum to it. Dare I say? Buttery on the body. How? This is a nice little throw over cover up. Look at the sleeves. Ah! Shut up, POPFLEX. Look at the sleeves. The way it bundles up. I'm joking. It comes with a nice little belt to cinch our body in. Thank you for the opportunity to cinch in this little waist. This tight little bloated waist. But honestly, I can go without the belt. I'm gonna wear this on an everyday basis. The way it drapes off my body. Imagine wearing this during the fall time. How is this designed? It's insane. I know it looks like I wear my man's top, but like girly. How is it ruffling like that? Like, ma'am, how did you do this? I'm not okay right now. Oh my gosh. I'm obsessed. How is this better than any and all the dress shirts I have? How does this cover up? When? Okay, the last piece today that I'm gonna share through this Moody haul that turned upside down, back around. She's a happy gal. This is a sweatshirt from Mindless Labs, and I just want to shout them out. This is a newer brand by Caitlin and Chris. This apparel helps fund their app and connects people who need help with those who want help. Evidently, mental health runs heavily behind this brand, and I respect them so much. How cute is this sweater? It's so trippy, and I love it. Also, this material is unlike any hoodie I have. And then look at this little Snapple button, which I love. I love that little detail because it actually holds up the hoodie. It makes it even more chunky, and we love a chunky hoodie. I can hear myself. That's when you know it's good. Thank you, Mindless Lab, for sending me a hoodie. I am gonna wear this like right now. I'm gonna link all the products below, and please support these brands who have like a bigger purpose behind their clothing.
Tell me what you